on, guys, is this an adventure or what? Oh, there's so many.
Another one gone.
Oh, mini golfing. Wow.
Nice try.
Night time.
Ooh. You got some off both ends, though.
Did I get both ends?
Kick back around and knock some on the other side off, too.
Okay, I'll take it.
And what's your strategy here?
Just throw the heavy ball down and hope it gets causes like big enough shockwave. It worked sort of by the looks of it.
Could do it, could not. No. You got to get used to the weight.
I think the grip is the shot that I'm testing.
I got a strike.
You're scratching this out. Got a lot up, got a lot up. Hold on now. Let it cook, let it cook, let it cook.
You guys try it again. How about you?
Well,
What do you think went wrong there?
He obviously, manufactured the floorboards to have him win. It's obvious, clear as day. Can't be cheap.
How about you put it on this?
No, I think I'll retire this strat. Save it. It was the floorboards. Obviously, they still messed up, as we know.
Silly.
Trio Tech.
What did you get? Womp womp.
Got a little pizza. There goes Troy. Can he do it? Very nice. Your reward is pizza.
Yeah, true. He gets a strike and then a strike.
All right, he's gonna go lefty.
Lester, this all comes down to you. You get a strike, you get another spare, and no strike. You can beat me.
It's just how you like it. It all comes down to you. You're the savior.
Well, now you make me want to use my right, dude. But now you know what?
Okay.
I'm being serious.
Okay. Here we go. Oh, not bad. Okay, all right.
What?
You can fix that. All right. Can Mary get? I think if she gets the spare, she gets to go again too.
I think so.
Could be. It's looking all right. Oh!
Thank you. Here you go. Thank you.
Epic fail.
Select 11.
Okay, ready? Will the handle this spin? You spun that wheel so many times, I think the fish may be dizzy.
Yeah, they does. What did I get? Everywhere.
Hey, nice.
Oh, 40 tickets, bro. What you need is the big win.
This one I I want this. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
I just
Did you break it yet?
no.
Nice, then you win 15 tickets.
I guess so.
Be a good sport. Play again.
This must give me some good luck, right? I'm going to go for red.
What are we thinking here?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know either.
Come on, give me something. I got some.
What is this game?
You drop marbles down and try to push the prizes off the edge.
Oh, I have not ever seen this.
Gotta play it again.
We may have a gambling addiction on our hands here.
How much money is on that card?
I don't know.
I think I put $15 on each one, and he's probably already burned through half of his.
Yep, I did.
And what will you do except watch everybody else play?
Ooh, yeah. 3 balls. Bro.
Bro. What's happening, bro? Are you getting ripped off left and right?
Huh?
Are you just losing left and right here?
Yeah.
Hey, why don't you ride this?
No.
Pretty cool. Why don't you borrow their card and try to win something big here?
I did. I was gonna fly away from it. I want to do skee ball.
Gotcha. Oh, looks like somebody lost again. Cool laser tag. Oh, that's cool. A little waiting room. Party room there. Pretty cool. Skating is down there. Long, creepy hallway. Troy can earn 40 tickets or more. He can get more money on his card. Doesn't look good. Oh, bye-bye.
I still have another game.
You do? Well, I didn't know that.
Bro, wait, I didn't want to do this one. I wanted to do the...
Now you gotta do it, bro.
Alright, let's go.
So, what happened there?
I don't know. I got it on the 70.
Because you're too nice.
That was a practice time.
Okay.
Brighton already...
I think he beat you, dude.
He did beat me.
Can I try one?
What about your card?
Troy's already on E. So
Yeah, you said, but I got 70.
what's going on here?
I'm going to show you guys how much of a man I am.
All right.
You guys better watch out.
You can show Claire, Miss Alyssa, and everybody at the house.
I did better than... I did better than you. I got 409.
409.
I did
All right.
better than Hunter.
All right, we got it. We got something on the board.
I won.
60.
Lowest score wins. Hey, lowest score wins in their life.
All right, Troy, you want to do it? Here we go. Haunted Mine. What's that? Yeah. You want a what? What do you see down there, bro? Figure it out. 125. How's this working out?
Tight fit.
It might be a weight limit, but that's okay. What'd you get? You got that, and a hacky sack, and what's the other thing? Ooh, a little flippy ball.
Bye guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Peace.
Did you have fun at the Jackson Family Fun Center?
Yeah.
Do you think people should come here?
Yeah. Peace out.